Morning everyone. So today I have a lovely Neptuna. We are on Sector D. We are in an urbanisation called Campusol near the port of Mathron, where there is several beaches, and Murcia International is only 30 minutes from here. So let's go in and have a look around this lovely home. So guys, this property has a pedestrian gate and it has off-road parking. It also has an enclosed terrace which makes extra accommodation. Beautiful stonework outside on the front wall and the surrounding walls, and beautiful tiles going up the stairs with a very decorative balustrade. You've also got a side gate going into the garden. So let's go over and have a look around. So from here I can tell it has aircon already, and it has lovely gardens with some beautiful plants and shrubs. So I'm going to take you in and around first, and we just go around here. Got lovely established plants and trees. This side gate here leads to a lovely area, and it also has an underbuilt here. So just here now, nice bit of garden furniture there, and you could have a nice garden table and chairs there for outside dining. And just there you could have a hot tub. There is plenty of room for a pool in this property if you want it. Let's go down and have a look at the underground storage. You've also got a water tap just there. As I get down here, you can see that there is drainage there as well. And this is quite a big storage area. You've got electricity down here, plenty of room for scope if you wanted to transform this area. This section is all under the D section, and of course you've got more just through here. It's a bit dark in there for me, but as you can see, you could do plenty to the underbuilt. So let's go back outside, have a look around the garden. Got these few steps up. So you got just a few steps here, and this area you could put a hot tub if you wanted to, and you have a back area just around there. You got your area there just to hang your washing. You got a gas boiler there. You could put a door on there for storage as well, and you could maybe put a barbecue there as well. So let me go around to the front, and we go into the front of the property. Now I've just come back around to the front. This is laid mainly to decorative stone, as you can see. And I'm going to take you up this beautiful decorated balustrade up onto the D section. Sorry guys. I love these tiles, they're beautifully decorated, very nice. You got this lovely bell which works, and you got this mirrored window here, so people can't see into the property, but you can see out, and it keeps the sun at bay as well. So let's go inside. Now I've just come into the D section, which is closed off. You have double glazed windows throughout this property. You've also got a ceiling light and fan, and this room makes for extra accommodation. And as I've said, the windows are reflective, The sun doesn't penetrate, that's why it's so cool in here at the moment. And people can't see in, but you can see out. Okay, so I'm just going to come up here, pan around for you, just give you a feel for the D section here. And then we go inside and have a look around in here. So you have one of those peepholes there on the door. You've also got your wrecker as well. So I've just come into the property and I'm just going to step back a little bit. As you can see, just inside the front door there is a wardrobe with overhead storage and a double wardrobe there. So you can put your flip-flops, your hoover or whatever you need in there. Now as we come into the lounge area itself, you can see there's ceiling light and fan. There is aircon and a feature fireplace. The feature fireplace is decorated with beautiful Spanish tiles and it has got a log burner. Okay, now I'm just going to come over here and come back this side just to give you a feel for the room. And we're going to take you through the archway and have a look at the 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This is a 3-bedroomed house, one of which is a bathroom for a guest and a bedroom. The other 2 are en suites. So just in here is a master bedroom, or which I call the master bedroom. So you have a ceiling light and fan and you have aircon just up there. The windows are double glazed and this is a lovely cool colour in here as well, nicely blue. Now if I just show you, you can see beautiful double glazed windows. It's a nice large bedroom. Now through this archway here you have a double wardrobe with overhead storage and you've got a single wardrobe with overhead storage as well. Now this single one is usually used for your bathroom bits and pieces, towels or whatever. So in here is your bathroom. So you've got a large bath with a shower attachment and a shower screen which is clear. You've got a frosted glass window. You've got storage there. You've got a WC, a bidet and a sink and pedestal. Now if I just come over here, you've got your towel rail just there as well. And you have a mirror with some lights. Just above you have an overhead heater. You have a socket here and that's for your shaving. Okay, so let me take you through in and around. So as I said in previous videos, if you wanted to put a door just here, you could, and that would become an ensuite bedroom then. And then you would have 3 en-suites. Okay, so just in here is your shower room. And this has your sink and pedestal, your WC, a mirror, and your shower just here. A frosted glass window as well. So, nice shower attachment. Just going to stand in here and turn around so you get a better view of this bathroom. So you've got your towel rail here and you've got an electric heater on there, very modern one. And you've got a socket overhead if you wanted to put an electric heater in that. Okay, so just come out here, and this is a double bedroom. There is a single bed in it at the moment, but it will take a double bed or 2 singles. So it's a twin room, as you can see. You've got his and her wardrobes. You've also got a ceiling light and fan as well. You've got blackout blinds on the windows. And again, beautiful, light and airy, like the rest of the rooms. So I'm just going to take you in and around. And we're going into the living space now. So we're just in here in the living space again. Ceiling light and fan. We've already been in here, but we're just seeing it at a different angle. So just in front of me is the archway for the dining room. You can take that archway out if you want it, make it more open plan. So we're over here now in the dining area, and as you can see, the kitchen is off the dining area with those beautiful Valentine bricks surrounding the archway. You have, of course, your aircon there and nice modern chandelier. This is quite a large dining area in the Neptunes. You can fit a larger table in there, and you've got a big unit in here as well. So I'm going to take you into this beautiful kitchen. Now you have my nice modern strip light up there, but plenty of top and base units. Nice black or greyish granite unit there. All very modern, high gloss units. You have got your electric hob and an electric oven there. You've got your hood extractor just here as well. Really nice, give you a nice close-up of that granite unit there. Really lovely. Going to pan around for you so you can see that you've got more units, your washing machine, sink and drainer, and more top and base units. Alright, now that is just off the dining area there. So I'm going to take you outside and we're going up to the top box. Now the top box is the third bedroom in these Neptuno style properties. You have got your rec on here, and it's got insect screen on it, so you can just shut the gate, leave the door open, and insects can't come into your kitchen then, and those nice summer breezes can. So I'll see you at the top of the stairs, guys. So we're going to go inside now. So just here is your top box. It has a single bed in here, will fit a large double. You will get a queen size bed up in this bedroom. So they have it set out that if they have a guest, and the guest could have a cup of tea in the morning or whatever, you know, without coming into the main house itself. Or like some people have, they enclose the staircase. So just there, twin wardrobes, his and hers, ceiling light and fan, and a secure window there going out onto the terrace. I'm going to take you into the ensuite first. Now just in here you have your sink and pedestal, your bidet and your WC. You've got a shower and bath. It's all tiled out in like a mottled colour and a grey tile. Really very nice. Shower curtain there. Everything matching. And of course you've got your window here. This on here is insect screen. So you've got your plug socket there if you want for shaving or anything like that. You've got a standard light above as well. So I'm going to take you outside and we'll have a look around at the upstairs terrace. Now this is obviously so little children won't walk into the window. Clever idea. Oh, need to unlock it first, Marie. There we go. So just here you have your understairs storage, or under the eaves storage I should say. Again, I need to unlock it. So you've got plenty of room there if you want to put storage or chairs or whatever. You've also got, just here, you got your water point, so you put a hose on that and you can wash all these tiles down then if they get a bit muggy or anything, you know. So this is a lovely area where you can just, you know, put some loungers. We'll take a hot tub here. You can put a pool downstairs. You can do a lot to put your own stamp on this property. You've also got solar water heating just over there. Just above there you got your overhead light and an awning, so when you pull that out you could have table and chairs so you can have your coffee in the morning. And it's a really beautiful location. Lovely views over there, I got to say. Really nice views. So let's go back downstairs now. Got these nice double wreckers on there as well. So just give you another glimpse of this large bedroom, and as I said, you can put a queen size bed in here quite easily. Now some people have enclosed the staircase and made it a part of the house, you know. So let me take you downstairs, guys. So guys, what do you think of this property? It's a lovely property. It doesn't have a pool, but not everybody wants a pool, but there is room for a pool here or a hot tub. You have beautiful accommodation here, fabulous kitchen. We are on D sector and you're only 30 minutes from Murcia International Airport and 20 minutes from the local beaches. So if you're interested in this property, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com. And please share and like this video and press the like button, please. Let me know where you're watching it from, this video. I do like to know. So take care everyone, and for those of you abroad in Holland or the UK, thanks for supporting my channel. Take care, and I'll see you all in the next video.